All right, see if you can identify this sound for me. Um, those are the connectors for the kill switch. It doesn't matter whether together or not. Eventually, this will turn over. See? But I have no idea. The starter's been changed. The solenoid's been changed. The ignition switch has been changed. I disconnected the kill switch. I have no idea what to do next.